This is a house from the 1890s or so. We took out old windows and they sided over it, but look back in the video, you'll see it. But we had to do some reframe up the windows. That's me walking up the old servant stairs, which was killer on the legs. But then you can see, once we get my head stuck in there, we got the new header and jacks in there and frame back up to support the weight of the ceiling and all that. There's a lot of work that we've done to it. And then this is with a tarp on. Another day that we started, just giving you another look at it. It wasn't sponsoring Red or Monster there, but whatever. But it was a lot of work we put into that. It has the old B-board that's going to be restored in there to make it look original. Pull up that plywood to expose the original hardwood floors, and hopefully they're in great shape because they want to refinish all that. So it's going to be a lot of work, and those are the windows there that they want to rebuild instead of replace. So we have to put the new weights, strings and pulleys, and put new glass in it. And then there's siding on the other side of that plywood that we had to take off and recut and trim out and all that. It's been a job that love working on these houses, but it's been a lot of work and just takes time and a lot of experience really to do it right without the roof falling in on you. And that's a door that goes into the master. There's a piece of glass that goes up there that we're going to re-put in so they can have light, natural light into the room. And then they want to keep the old laundry chute there, just for the antique issues, but try to save some of the old wood that we can to refinish it and reinstall it to go. Right now we're waiting on them to pull out the old knob and tube wiring so we can get back to it. Now, this is with some of the windows in. We got 3 of the 4 in, or 2 of the 3 in, sorry. And then that's with all the 4 in and the inside. We got them set in place, shimmed. And that was a Friday that we got to that point, so we wanted to wait until Monday morning to get to the rest of the work. But they're really nice windows. And I think it's going to look a little off, but that's what the homeowner wanted. Now that's Monday morning, that's with the windows in. They trim around the face of the windows on the exterior, and then that's finished. We got the vinyl siding back up and all that. That was the day. It was a long day, but we got it.